Hello everyone. Uh, Today is February 2, 2021. As usual, we will check the price movement or the movement of the PECI today. But before that, there is a request here for charting Emperador, EPBI, GMA7, PPC, and MBT. But before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that there is no recommendation for buying, selling, or holding your shares if you have shares of these stocks of these companies. This is only for educational purposes. We will study the support and resistance based on the actual price movement. So now let's go to the chart of PECI. This is the chart of Philippine Stock Exchange Index. As we discussed yesterday, we need to see if this horizontal resistance above ay ma-break ni PCI. But if there is a rejection, then there's a possibility that PCI will go back, possible on this horizontal support line below. Today, there is a parent ceiling of 567.48, and still there is a small rejection here. So we need to watch, no? If the level of PCI will go up again above all the exponential moving averages. So this is my opinion. For me, my personal opinion, I will wait if the level of PCI will go up above again all the exponential moving averages. And if there's create a bullish pattern, so this is the time we need to watch and monitor the movement of PCI. But for now, today there is a small rejection on this area. So possible there is a pullback of PCI tomorrow. We will see if the price will go back, the level will go back on this horizontal support line below. So but for me, as I said, I need to see PCI going up above all the exponential moving averages. So if you see MACD here, MACD is still below the zero line, and it is in the corrective thrust. So we need to see if there is a curve up of the MACD and crossing again in the signal line. But for now, still below the zero line. So we need to see if there is a pullback of PCI, and we need to watch this horizontal support, this line ay mag-hold si PCI. If ever babalik man yung level ni PCI on this area. So for me, but as I said, for my general opinion, I will always wait if the level of PCI will go back above all the exponential moving averages. So now let's go to the first one, Emperador. So Emperador, we know that Emperador is going sideways since August. Now he is in the resistance line, no, on this area. So for me, I will wait if the price of Emperador will go up again above on this area, above on this line, and there is an accumulation. So this is the time we need to watch Emperador movement. But for now, if tomorrow if there is a rejection on this horizontal resistance, of course possible he will go back on this area, no, this horizontal support line, possible. But if there is a breakout, we need to watch that there is a accumulation above on this line. So this is the time we need to monitor the movement of Emperador. But for now, wait if the price will go up on this line, as I said, and it create a bullish pattern or accumulation on this line, above on this line. So next one is EPBI. If you see EPBI, EPBI is going down, no, since the opening, but it still did not recover, no. Now the price is hitting this horizontal resistance line. I think 4 days now, no. The price is hitting on this resistance line. So for me, keep away muna, just wait if there's a pullback to MA20 and this inclined support, no. We need to see this inclined support, dapat mag-hold yung price ni EPBI and above MA20. So but if ever this support ay ma-break, then it's not good for EPBI. So we need to watch that the price will stay above on this area, provided that this inclined support ay hindi ma-break ni EPBI. So this is my thoughts, no, for EPBI. If ever there's a breakout, then we need to see always the price movement. But for now, there's a possibility that the price of PCI will go back to this line or in the AME 20. So for my general opinion, wait and see that this inclined support ay mag-hold. Now, next one is GMA7. If you see GMA7, GMA7 now, if you draw inclined resistance, this is the inclined resistance of GMA7. So for now, we need to see if there is a breakout of this inclined resistance and this horizontal resistance. So iwas muna because the price now is in the resistance area. There's a possibility that there's a pullback possible on this line, horizontal support, if the AME20 ay ma-break ni GMA7. So for me, my general opinion, I will wait if there is a breakout of this horizontal support, horizontal resistance rather, this line and the inclined resistance. So I need to wait if there's a breakout of that line, the resistance, horizontal resistance and inclined resistance. Now next one is PPC. We will see the price corporation. He is down by 2.22% today, but yesterday he is up to 6.6 pesos per share. Now there's a pullback, and this line now is become a resistant line. So we need to see that this inclined support ay still mag-hold yung price ni PPC. But if ever the price will break on this inclined support, then it is not good for PPC. So if you have a position for PPC, wait and see that this inclined support ay mag-hold. Now if you see MACD is still above the zero line, but for me, I will wait. It is good for now if the price will stay above on this line, because there's a possibility that there is a bounce going to this horizontal resistance line above. And if this line ay hindi ma-break, then there's a possible that this horizontal resistance ay ma-break ni PPC. But if ever this inclined support ay ma-break, then this is not good for PPC. For me, this is my own opinion for PPC. So I will wait if there is a pullback on this horizontal inclined support and hindi ma-break itong line na ito, because it will create now create a triangular pattern. So we need to see for me that this inclined support ay hindi ma-break ni PPC. Next one is Metro Bank. If you see Metro Bank here, this is the support line of Metro Bank. So there is 2 times hitting on this horizontal support line below. But now if we draw inclined resistance, this is the inclined resistance of Metro Bank. Now the price is below the 2 exponential moving averages, the AME20 and AME50, and it's still it is in the trend in adjustment. So there's a possibility that the price will go back on this horizontal support line below. For now, iwas muna, and we need to wait if there is a breakout of this inclined resistance, and it will create a bullish pattern above all the exponential moving averages. So because now it is in the resistance line on this area, there's a possibility the price will go back on this horizontal support line below. So maiwanan po kayo diyan kung pipilitin nyo. So for me, I will wait if there is a breakout of this inclined resistance, and it will go up above all the exponential moving averages, and it will create a bullish pattern. So you can wait if there is a bounce on this area, provided that this horizontal support ay hindi ma-break ni Metro Bank. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something about this discussion. If you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box, and we will discuss, and we will enhance our knowledge in the stock market. That's all, and thank you, and God bless us all always.